Hello viewers, my name is Kevin Jumannne from Jumannne Locs. I am a mobile loctician and I do home service. I am based in London and today I have come to Raynham to retire Microlocs. On the right side of the screen are my contact details if you want to book. And for quicker reply, I advise that you send me a WhatsApp message, and you can also check the rest of my work on Instagram at Jumannne_Locs, or you can search me on TikTok as Kevin Jumannne.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good.
So my client already washed her hair and we are going to dive straight into the retying process. The method I like using is either 3-point rotation or 4-point rotation in order to avoid creating holes in the strands, therefore making them weak. And what I mean by 3 or 4-point rotation is simply looping the locks from all the 4 directions, or at least 3, and make sure that the last looping is in the direction where you want the strand to fall. Having shown you that, now I will speed up the video and please watch to the end and see the transformation. We have now come to the end of the retying process, and my client didn't want any styling, so we'll just spray the hair to give it a good shine. And there we are. Our client is happy and giving a beautiful smile. And please don't forget to subscribe and share the video and press the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post another video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.